Hello, in this video we will learn how to apply animated characters to ModelEntity. So in order to apply animated characters to ModelEntity and run the animation, I'm going to make single server model. So this is source, this is server, and this is sync exit. So this is just simple model. I'm not going to change specified values of source, server, and sync, because we just have to apply animation to ModelEntity. So now I have to connect source to server and server to sync. So I'll select path, double click on path, then click on this node and this node. Path is still between source and server, then click on this node and this node. So second path is established between server to sync. So now I have to drag ModelEntity and let's change ModelEntity name as medical nurse. Okay, while changing a name, you do not have to give space between characters, because it will not be applied to any of the object. Okay, so I have to change character of ModelEntity. So let me okay, either you can apply from active symbols already given in library of Simio default library, or if you do not find any suitable required picture from apply symbols, then you can go to 3D warehouse and download from there. So this will redirect you to the 3D warehouse, and from here you can search. Let's suppose we have to search ambulance, ambulance, ambulance. Okay, this will give 3D pictures of ambulances. So these are different kinds of ambulance pictures. So I am going to download this one, 911 ambulance. So I'll sketch I'll download sketchup file. From here sketchup file is downloaded to my download directory. So I'll go back to Simio, and from import symbol I have to import this picture of ambulance, because I have downloaded this one currently. So when I'll double click on that file, this will automatically apply to ModelEntity. Okay, so this is ambulance top view, and this is saying that forward direction is in this direction, but we have to rotate, because this is front of the ambulance, so we have to rotate front into forward direction. So I'll rotate 180. So this is set as forward direction is towards here. So I'll okay this, and this is ambulance. I'll change into 3D mode of my model. So I just press 3, and this is 3D mode of my model, and then I'll go to run button, and let me drag this to this one, and I'll run my model. So this is ambulance running from source to server. Okay, so we have to apply animated character to ModelEntity. So I'll just click on this ModelEntity, and then go to apply symbols. So I am going to apply from library people. So I am just going to apply, let's suppose, people, and then run my model. Okay, this is my ModelEntity, and when I'll run my model, you can see that this is just translating, not working, running, or any animated character property is applied to the ModelEntity, because this is just translating. Okay, this is because I have selected from pictures, not animated characters. So you have to keep in mind, whenever you have to apply animated properties to the ModelEntity, you have to select from animated category. If I'll right click on left click on model, then you can see that there is no any active animation model symbol, because this is not animated character. So you have to keep in mind that if you want animation, then you have to select animated character. So I'll go back to apply symbols, and then I'll go to animated category. So you can see that here is animated children female category, and library people animated children male, and then elderly female male. So I am going to now apply from animated. I am going to apply this picture to my model entity and then run my model. So let's run model. Okay, this is very small character, so you can drag from any of these points and can change size of model entity. Okay, so I'll go to run and run this model. You can see that now this model entity is walking. This woman is walking on the path. So I have to stop and go back to properties. Okay, you can left click on this, and you can see that here is list animations of active symbols, because we have applied animated character. So from list you can see that there is a list of available animations: stand shifting weight, stand talking on phone, stand texting, and number 9 character property is walk. Then there is number 14 is run, then 15 sit. So we are now going to change property state of our model entity. So let's walk is its default animation property, so we are going to change from walk to run. So for doing this property change, we have to go to model entity, then we have to go to definitions, and from states we have to change animation. So from animation properties we have to set initial state value. So what would be initial state of our model entity or character? So initial state value we have to set here 13, because in active symbol list its number was 14 and we start from 0. So actually initial state value will be 13. So I'll write 13 in initial state value of properties of animation, and then apply this and go back to my my model. So now I'll run my model. You can see character running, so you can change different animation states of the characters. So you have to keep in mind that if you want to apply animation to character, you have to select from animation category. Thank you so much.